everybody, it's K-Sisters here. Today we're going to be opening up 2 packages from Zuru.
Yay! Oh, and Kayla's got her little package over there too, right, KK? Okay, guys, what's in those packages?
Another box?
Oh, hold on.
Got one too.
Wow, what do you got in there, Krista? Oh, there's Kayla.
Ah!
Wow, pets alive. Let's see, Karina's got purple and Krista's got pink. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, we're going to put on pause, guys.
And I got coral.
You got coral?
We're only missing one.
Oh, now you guys are only missing one. Let me see, Karina, turn it around. Yay! Okay, let's put it on pause so we can open them up.
Supposed to.
Kayla's holding over there. What are you holding, KK? Let's see. Cotton candy cutie. Scented, fluffy, stretchy slime. Woo! Here, KK.
Mommy, try to open it.
Okay, we're going to open it. Okay, so Kayla got some stretchy slime. Oh, she doesn't want you guys to help. Okay. Mommy help, okay? Look, what's inside? What's inside there, KK? There's something inside, Kayla. What is it? Here.
There you go.
Here's the scissors.
I got her hair out and her tail out. Oh, this is what we're doing.
Yay, KK, who is that? Oh.
Let's show everybody. Mommy, have a
It's a squishy. Looks like a bunny. Squishy.
It's like rainbow corn poo.
Yep.
No.
So Kayla's gonna play with the fluffy slime. Yay!
You say, lay my legs flat.
Yay! Smell it. It smells good, huh?
Okay, everybody, this is what you can do. So you can lift her left leg up and then her horn lights up like that.
Oh, that's so cute.
You can lay her like this, and then and then you can press the star. I love you. Love. Love. Love.
Oh, Kayla's back there.
Love.
Do you guys like these unicorns?
Love.
Okay, what does the carrot do? So cute. So would you say get this gift for your kids for Christmas or birthdays?
Yeah.
There's the purple. Let's see the purple one really quick, Karina. Okay, Kayla, hold on. Hold on, KK.
And you can decorate their hair in all fun different ways. Hey! Oh no, don't want to see your nose.
So what's the stall? Does the door open?
Yep.
It does. All right. So you got a pony stall and everything. Okay, let's check back in with KK.
Whoa.
Oh, you got it in your hair, huh? Whoa, cool. All right. Yay, KK. Oh. What?
Whoa.
Whoa. Can you say hi? Say hi, everybody.
Mama. I love you.
Whoa. Say bye.
Mama. Bye.
Kayla, can you say bye?
Mama.
Yay.
Pretty bow on her.
There's a gold bow. Yeah.
You didn't get the golden bow.
She's got the blue bow. Oh, she is beautiful.
She has a star necklace.
Does Karina's have a star necklace too? No, she has a star necklace and it's gold. Cool. Cool, cool. I like it. I think these are super cute. Do you like them or what?
Yeah.
So, what do we say to Zuru, guys?
Thank you.
It's okay. Say bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Oh no, I'm gonna take one of these off. I can't take one of these off.
Okay, bye everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the girls' channel. Share it. Love it. Thank you for your support. Bye.